Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad dressing from curd, updated. Start by whisking 1 cup curd with 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and a pinch of salt until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon honey for balance, 1 minced garlic clove for bite, and 1 tablespoon chopped herbs. Adjust seasoning, thin with water if needed, and chill briefly before serving to let flavors naturally meld. For a creamy herb version, mix 1 cup curd with 2 tablespoons Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon mustard, and 2 tablespoons chopped dill, parsley, or chives. If you prefer spicy notes, stir in 1 teaspoon chili paste or 1 minced jalapeno. For a tangy twist, replace lemon with 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar and add 1 teaspoon maple syrup to balance flavors. Taste and tweak seasoning to suit your salad and keep leftovers refrigerated. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Also, a fun tip: try reading recipe notes on the new Kindle Paperwhite for easy, glare-free reference while cooking. It makes following steps simple and keeps recipes handy at the counter. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If your curd dressing is too thick, whisk in cold water 1 teaspoon at a time until you reach the desired consistency. Store dressing in a sealed jar in the fridge for up to 5 days, and always use a clean spoon to prevent contamination. When serving, bring to near room temperature for best flavor and give it a quick re-whisk to recombine separated ingredients. These small habits keep your dressing fresh and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.